Hey guys, my name is Railfan. I'm going to tell you guys how to install a smoke alarm. This is basically meant for hardwired smoke alarms. If you have battery operated or that will give examples over throughout the video. Anyways, first you have to hold alarm, 10 years old, pretty much 10 years old, right? Need to be replaced. You're gonna want to down for the bracket. Okay, it says for hardwired users, you're gonna want to detach that hook. If you get one, you gotta like push those pins and then take it out. I'll be right back. Alright, so now you got your old alarm off. A screw. Let me see. You're gonna want to take this. You're gonna screw it counterclockwise. Do the same for the top. Once it's able to come off, just slip it off. Why the heck does my about to break through that? Okay, so you got the thing out. For hardware users, you still have to keep this one. If you have a hardware adapter alarm or it's a new one without adapters, you want to fix the thing. So reroute it till I take this one all off. Make sure the power's off. Is it white to white, red to white, red to red/orange, and black to black. After you've done that, you're gonna grab your new smoke alarm plate. So I got the new plate. It's like same Kidde FireX unit. Just gotta fit it around the hoop. Wherever it fits. And you gotta tighten the screw. Hold on. But now the other one. Okay, so you got a new one on. Now let's get that new alarm on. This time you're not gonna need your thing anymore. Next you're gonna connect the new one to its thing, to its new wire for the hardware users. You wanna connect to the wire, then turn it on. Let me just do that. Alright, after doing that, you're gonna wanna like there, and then you're gonna wanna push in into place. Now it's ready. Check the battery and give it a test. And after, you want to do a test. And then for FireX units, you're gonna want to do this. Wait until the light flashes up, and then press again. And that's it. Make sure to like and subscribe. And that's how you install a new smoke alarm. Bye.